Hey everybody, in this video I will guide you through the piplanning implementation roadmap. Let's dive into it. There are two different roadmaps. One is for self-hosted users and the other for cloud users. However, they only differ in the first step and cloud users will save a lot of time here. Cloud users only register on setup.piplanning.io/register and they are good to go. Self-hosted needs a little bit more time. Probably you need to consult your IT department so they can install it. I leave the link to our documentation in the description of this video. After the installation, they send us their server ID, and based on the server ID, we will provide them with an active trial license. After that, you need to configure the Alm tool with the piplanning app. For this process, we suggest a setup call with us. For this call, it's necessary that someone with admin rights is joining the call. Now it's time for the RTE to configure the piplanning session. Here too, we recommend that we have a remote call guiding you through this process, so we can save time and answer all of your questions right away. Prepare piplanning itself. This step has nothing to do with the piplanning app, but it's meant as a placeholder for the important and probably remaining preparation for the upcoming piplanning done by you or the RTE. Then 8 days before the piplanning, we suggest a final test of the piplanning app to ensure that everything is still working fine. 3 days before the piplanning, we suggest to provide all teams with the download link of the desktop app piplanning.io/download and provide them with their team access data. This ensures that everyone works on the latest and current piplanning app desktop version. Now the actual piplanning takes place. After the piplanning, we'd like to have a short feedback call with the RTE. In this one, we will find out how the piplanning went and what we can improve for the future. On the basis of this information, we prioritize our backlog, and from piplanning to piplanning, the piplanning app gets better and better. We are not done yet. After piplanning is before piplanning. But this time, you can start from step number 3, because the main part of the work lies in the initial setup. You find the link to the roadmaps in the description of this video. If you want to start over with the piplanning app, go to trial.piplanning.io and register for a free trial phase. Thank you for watching.